Well, there's a van in the way.
I have to get Jason to watch it.
Jason, on your bike.
On my bike? No, I'm fine.
Van's in the way now, brother.
Hey?
You slowed us down again.
Sam says I can go home then.
Out on a road test. We're out the busy streets of Nuneaton, obviously adhering to speed restrictions. Very peaceful. Well, this traffic's crap, Rich.
It is, you're right. Traffic is.
Did you see that they're going to modify the log chute?
No.
As soon as they fix the dodwells, so starting in when that finishes, they're going to modify the log chute.
What do you mean, modify it?
It says work starts here. Right at the bottom of the log chute, big sign. For 4 weeks.
Well, what can they possibly be doing for 4 weeks?
I really don't know the answer to that, mate.
Fucking balance. Whoever works for the council, whoever works for the Nuneaton Warwickshire Council or Hinkley Leicestershire Council that keeps shutting these roads for 2-3 weeks at a time, I don't know. They're obviously taking a backhander, aren't they, or something?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I've got a mate that's got a construction company that says, oh, I need £1 million in 4 weeks to do that. And we're really going to be intrigued to see what they've done at the Dodwells Bridge over 2 weeks, because 2 weeks is a lot of hours.
Yeah.
And I bet they've replaced 3 bricks on the underside of the bridge or something. And it'll be no different at the top. Still, the road surface will still be like a ploughed field, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's
They've
rubbish, the road surface.
Yeah, done nothing there. Like, I want to see a perfectly pristine, like, redone surface mint when that reopens to suggest that they've actually done something whilst they've been there.
Yeah, absolutely.
But they reckon it's going to be shut for another 15 weeks at night. From 8 at night till 6 in the morning for another
15 weeks?
For another 15
well, they must be
weeks.
rebuilding a bridge, mustn't they?
Yeah, but they can't. But what I'm saying is, they can't be rebuilding the bridge because obviously at that point they wouldn't be able to have it open in the day, would they?
No. It is ridiculous. to 1 on a Friday.
Yeah.
So this is just average traffic before they start messing with road systems, ain't
Yeah.
it? Oh look, there's me on camera. Hi me. Oh, there we go. Back again, back again.